Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tammy 5966 and I am doing a latch hook wig. So we have the mannequin head and we have the latch hook hair, and then we also have the sewing cap. I tied the knot right here, so I'm gonna cut this off, so it can be a little snug, and I tied the knot in it. So this is what you need. You need a latch hook, the weaving cap, and you also need the hair of your choice, but this is the hair that I'm using right here. I got this from my local beauty store for $5.99, and I use I have 4 packs. So this is what I started so far. Yeah, so I will be back with another video, so stay tuned.